Beautiful, isn't it?
It's really nice.
You can hold it.
What is it?
It's a puzzle. And it's almost finished. Keep going.
So if I solve it, do I get a prize?
I do.
What's your deal? It has 6 sides, 6 configurations. It opens up and it cuts you. And then they come to collect.